My people, my people, my people. You know it's a boy, Jamaican boy, back at it again with our next epic video. Guys, this is exactly why I haven't been able to make any recent videos. Look at my river. Oh my god. I said no! Yeah, no! Where next to Bazin? Me ain't know there's so much water around here, God knows. No, sir. You mad? Water all up on the road, look there. Look at this. Look at water. Can you just imagine? This is the road, you know. Just imagine this. Just imagine this. Oh, as I'm saying now, guys, you see how the water is. This guy that is now recording is going to give us something
Cut that fuck.
Because this guy, he is the main entertainer. So, news reporting 101, checking out. Because you're a good tip, never go like we don't fly here. Go on all the way over this way. Water rate to the tip over this before you just come over by your foot.
Close to 40 touches. I try to 18.